Did you know that some ancient grains can carry more than just nutrients? Maya was the perfect wellness blogger. Every morning started with meditation, green smoothies, and posts about superfoods. Her followers loved her glowing skin and endless energy. At an old antique market, she found something special, heritage quinoa in a dusty jar. The seller's eyes were strange when he handed it over. "This will change everything," he whispered. Maya was excited. She filmed herself making the perfect cleanse bowl, but the grains seemed to move slightly. She blinked. Must be tired. After eating, the hunger hit. Normal food did nothing. Her teeth felt sharp against her tongue. Her fingernails grew thick and hard. The cravings got worse. Raw meat, blood. When she looked at her pet rabbit, something dark awakened inside her. Black veins spread under her skin. Her teeth pierced through her gums. Maya stared at the mirror afterward, blood dripping from her mouth, realizing the ancient grain had awakened something inhuman.